Hello viewers, I'm TheRevDev, and in today's video we'll be looking at if statements. So yeah, I know it's been a very long time since I've uploaded. That was because, weekend and my brother's at home and it's very loud, so he's not, because obviously, as all of you know, COVID-19 is a very serious thing, and some of us are staying at home because of it, so please, before we start, please stay safe, and yeah, let's get into the video. First off, what are its if statements? Basically, I don't know how to really explain it, but it's like, if something is equal to this, then do this. So like in real life, if you say, if apples is equal to apples, then whatever, or if 1 + 1 is equal to 2, then print 2. That's how I can say it. So I'm going to teach you how to write it. So first, we're going to go into workspace and create a script. And in a second, we're going to add variables. So we're going to use variables for if statements. But let's do if statements in itself. So how do you write an if statement? Well, first off, we write if. So obviously, that's what it is. It's just if. So it can be it, whatever. So it'll be like if whatever, then whatever. But we'll do if. Now I need to choose the statement we want to do. So like what? So let's do something simple. If 1 is equal to 1. So basically I'm saying if 1 is equal to 1, which is 1 is equal to 1 obviously, then do this. But when you do equals like this, you don't do 1 equals, you do 2 equals. Like that. If you're defining a variable, you use 1 equal, don't use 2 equals, 1 equal. But if you're doing an if statement or like or if it's trying to define something, you don't just do 1 equal. It has to be 2 equals. So if 1 is equal to 1, then space. So now if 1 is equal to 1, which is 1 equal to 1, then let's do print hello. Well, let's print 1 is equal to 1. We click run, look what it says. It'll print 1 is equal to 1, which is obvious, isn't it? Now next video we'll do else statements, but we're going to focus on ifs for now. But let's say I have to change it. 1 is equal to 2, which is not. Then look at this. It won't print anything. We'll have to add an else statement, which obviously I'll do in the next video. But yeah, basically, that's good. And you can do many things. You can store variables inside, but that's all scoping and stuff, so do that in a future video. Now, if you don't have to do it like that, you can also do if 1 + 1 is equal to 2, then print 1 + 1 equals to 2. If you run that, 1 + 1 is equal to 2. And the same here, we have to do equals to equals, not equals. Now this is also called equals, but I like to call equal. Like if 1 + 1 is equal to 2, like equal to. I'll change it to 11, like that. Not going to do, because that's not how it works. And you can do strings as well. Obviously, if poo equal to poo, the way I say poo. Okay, don't worry. Poo. Yeah, no, it's a bit complicated. That. Pow. Okay. Now, that's very simple, isn't it? Just if something is equal to something, then do this. But that's it, really. But we're going to be doing it with variables. So watch this. Let's make a variable. Let's call it apples and apple juice. Okay, I was joking. Let's just call it apple juice. Alright. Obviously we're going to do if apple juice is equal to apple juice, then print disgusting, or whatever you want, obviously. Now it's going to print disgusting, obviously. Then we're going to do, if we do that, it's not going to print anything. Now, I could show you and or statements, but actually I can actually show you and or statements. So what is an and or statement? It's basically if one or both conditions are true. So I'll give you an example. So var2 is equal to 55. We do if var1 is equal to 2, then obviously print var, just print anything. So if we do that, I click run, it'll print anything, because like I said, this is equal to 2. But let's say I wanted it and var2 is equal to 5. Look what it'll print anything. So how AND works is both of these conditions have to be equal to 2 or 5, obviously. So let's say I change this to 4, or 3 sorry. This is 3, but this is 5. The statement just won't run. Because only one of the conditions are true. This is true, right, to this. But this is not, because this is 3 and this is 5. And if only one of them is correct and the other is not, it won't print. If I was to do OR, it will run. Because with OR, if one of these statements are true, it'll still run, even if the other's not. As you can see here. See, this is 2, but nothing here. So that's the good thing. Or var2, and you can't do that. You can add as many as you want. So actually, I can do with OR. Or var1 is equal to 3, or var1 is equal to 4, or var2 is equal to 5. So just if at least one of these statements are true, I'll just print anything basically. That's pretty neat. So yeah, that's it. I hope I didn't drag the video too long. I'm just making it nice and short because it's simple. Next video we'll be focusing on else and else if statements, so that'll be pretty useful. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please stay safe, self-isolate. Just coronavirus is a big thing, and yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.